Hello YouTube onions, it's Halloween. How would you like to carve a pumpkin and then make it slowly vomit? I'll show you how. Well, we discovered a way that you can display your pumpkin on the front step and have it slowly foam at the mouth for the entire evening. Wouldn't that be fun? For your ingredients, you're going to simply need a well-carved pumpkin. You're going to need hydrogen peroxide. You're going to need active dry yeast, Dawn dish detergent, some water, and it'll be warm. You're going to want nice warm water, and green food coloring. Or you can pick a food coloring of your choice. Since you're using food coloring, you want to be careful what surface you put this on. You don't want to have permanently colored front steps. And I want to mention right away, this is not like a quick foam like a volcano where it like comes flying out the mouth. So it's not going to be exciting at the beginning. The first 15 minutes, it just starts to foam ever so slowly. And then your pumpkin will continue to froth and foam at the mouth for a good hour out on your front step. You'll be the talk of the neighborhood. In order to make a barfing pumpkin, you got to first find the perfect pumpkin for barfing.
Do you want a barfing pumpkin? Do you want to make a barfing pumpkin?
I want a barfing pumpkin. We'll show YouTube how to do it. Okay, people, what pumpkin should I get to barf? That one is cute. I like that one. It's got a nice shape. Are you out of your gourd? Are you playing Halloween channel?
Yeah.
Halloween's one of my favorite times of year. These ghosts are beautiful. Step 1, carve your pumpkin. There you go, folks. That's my puking pumpkin. Doesn't the poor guy look like he's feeling a little green? Greener on the gourd? A puking pumpkin? Are you out of your gourd? Oh, I have too much fun.
First of all, I've got some pre-measured 2 tablespoons of warm water. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast to that. And just mix it up a little bit. Just set that aside for now. And then I already pre-measured, but this is hydrogen peroxide. I pre-measured, we got 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Set that aside. Add a few drops of Dawn dish soap, just about that much.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. And then, because he is sick.
He's looking a little peaked there.
Yeah, your pumpkin's a little sick, and so, you know, you want to add some green food coloring.
This is medicine to make the pumpkin feel better.
Your pumpkin.
Green. Okay.
So after you get those 2 mixtures done, you're going to pour your hydrogen peroxide into your pumpkin. And then your yeast formation.
Grab the cat.
Into that.
See what the cat's going to say about this. Hello, Mason. You want to see an exothermic reaction?
And then you're just going to dump that in there.
Is this where the puking begins?
And this is where your puking begins.
Starting to bubble. Let's take a look. So this takes a little while.
Ooh, it's pretty frothy in there.
Okay, you Tubulonians, now realize that this is a very slow reaction that happens over time. Think of it this way. This is a display that sits on your step. You don't want it to just foam up and blow everything out and be all done. You want this to sit on your step and slowly foam out. Look at how it slowly oozes out. And this display is going to last you a good hour or maybe even more. You want it to sit on the front step and just continually ooze out green foam.
Puking.
He is puking. Amanda's impressed with her parents. She just got home and found us doing this. And here we are, almost empty nesters with college kids, and we're playing with foaming pumpkins. And it's not even Halloween Eve yet.
Having Halloween on a Monday is nice though, because not only do you get 1 Halloween, you get 4 of them. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
I know.
I've literally done everything for Halloween every single night.
There you have it. For your pumpkin display, you're going to want 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of warm water, mixed together, set aside. Add the green food coloring and the hydrogen peroxide, be a half a cup, and then add a few drops of Dawn dish soap. And there, your pumpkin will not feel very well for at least an hour.